for the ladies. Yeah, take it. Oh God. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh God. What would you say if I told you I've always wanted to hold you? I don't know what we are afraid of. Nothing will change if we make love. And I'll be your friend. And I'll be your lover. And I know in our hearts we agree. We don't have to be one or the other. Oh, no. We could be like to each other. Baby, this is a chance we will take. And somebody's heart must be breaking. Ooh, we can stop what inside us. Now our love it will guide us. When I be your friend, and I be your lover, and I know in our hearts we agree. We don't have to be one or the other. Oh, no. We can be like each other. Oh, God. So I've been through you, and you've been through me. And sometimes a friend is the hardest to see. We always know when it's laid on the line. Nobody else is as easy to find. And I'll be your friend. Come on, let me hear you sing it. And I'll be, and I know in our hearts we agree. We don't have to be one or the other. Oh, now we could be like to each other. Oh God, and I'll be your friend. And I'll be your lover. And I know in our hearts we agree. We don't have to be one or the other. Oh, now we could be like to each other. Because I already know the building. Say, I